Hi there, Trend Traders. This is Dennis Wilburn from the Active Trend Traders. You can reach us as activetrendtrading.com. Today's tech tip is going to be about patterns, chart patterns. I want to remind everybody that all material presented here is for training purposes only. Here we see an entity that has been setting up and has rolled over and has into a downtrending, downtrending where it's just selling off dramatically. And we see these patterns repeat themselves over and over and over again in these entities. This is a weekly chart. So the green line is the 40-week, the reddish line is the 20-week, and the little blue line is the 8-week, which approximates the 50-day moving average. And you see these patterns repeat. Here's a nice little flag where if somebody would have taken that trade, they could have jumped on this to the downside. Another little flag here. And we see this over and over again with these stocks and even the indices as they break down. The same type of thing repeats itself on the way back up, but as we let's look at another stock real quick, and we'll see a similar type pattern. Here's one, again, a weekly chart. We see the same type of pattern. It has a failure up here. You get the moving average crossovers here, and then you start putting in these bear flags. And this one took quite a ride over several weeks and months until it finally appears to have bottomed down in this area. Well, that's not the end of the story. There's a rest of the story that I want to share with everybody. Both of these charts that I have shown are for the same entity. The first chart we showed was from the S&P back in 2007, 8, 9, when it melted down dramatically. And we can see here's the pattern, the bear flags that took place, and it just continued to roll over. This was a sell-off back then. But the thing that's most interesting, to me at least, is that this second chart that I showed was for this period here. It started back in 1929. So the lesson for today, or the tech tip for today, is that patterns repeat. Learning to understand and see the patterns will help you to become a better trader. I know that one of my favorite stock charts that reminds me of this on a constant basis is the 1898 stock chart of Tennessee Coal and Iron, I believe, from Bill O'Neill's book, How to Make Money in Stocks, the 4th edition. Seeing that chart from over 100 years ago helped me to grasp more than anything else that if we, as technical analysts, will learn to recognize the patterns and trust that they do repeat, will be a lot, it'll give us an edge in the market. So for today, that's our tech tip. Just a quick reminder that every Wednesday at 6 p.m. we do a midweek market sanity check webinar. This month we are going to be covering candlestick reversal patterns, and if you're interested, you can check it out on activetrendtrading.com. Again, thanks a lot. See you later.